Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your credit card loyalty program with Chase, complete guide step by step clearly. To fix your credit card loyalty program with Chase, start by logging into your Chase online account. Once logged in, navigate to the rewards section of your account. Review your current points balance to understand your starting point. Take note of any promotional offers that may enhance your rewards accumulation. Next, familiarize yourself with the categories that offer higher earn rates for points. Check for any bonus categories that apply to your spending habits. Consider adjusting your spending to focus on these high reward categories. If applicable, link your loyalty accounts from other brands to your Chase account. This can help you earn additional points on purchases outside of credit card transactions. Look for special promotions or partnerships that offer extra points for limited time offers. Explore ways to redeem your points effectively for travel, cashback, or gift cards. Read up on the redemption options available to find the best value. Keep track of expiration dates on your points to avoid losing them. Review your monthly statements to ensure you are maximizing your rewards. If needed, call Chase customer service for additional insights or troubleshooting help. Stay informed about any changes to the program by regularly checking Chase's website. Consider setting up alerts for any upcoming offers or changes in your reward structure. By being proactive, you can significantly enhance your experience with the Chase loyalty program. Finally, be patient and consistent as you work towards optimizing your rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.